This is a feedback from a foreign customer. The issue reported was that the suction cup could not pick up the material and the suction power was insufficient. Once we received the customer's feedback, we immediately arranged for specialized technical guidance to resolve the issue online, ensuring that the customer's production and work were not delayed. After our technical team investigated, we identified a wiring connection issue. We immediately guided them remotely to rewire the system. Once the rewiring was done, the machine immediately resolved all the issues. The customer's problem was quickly solved, and they expressed great satisfaction. From fault diagnosis to repair completion, we provide comprehensive and attentive service for your excavator attachments, striving to enhance your user experience. Thank you for choosing Wenbo Machinery. We are with you every step of the way.